शिरोडा फोंडा हांगासरल्या स्वातंत्र्य सैनिक संघटनेचे अध्यक्ष चंद्रकांत वैकुंठ केंकरे पिरायेच्या 87 वर्सां संवसाराक अंतरले. फाटल्या कांय दिसांसावन तांचेर आपोलो हॉस्पिटलांत उपचार चलताले. मंगळारा रातच्या 9 वरांचेर तांची ज्योत पालवली. तांच्या मरणान समाजांत मोठी पोकळी निर्माण जाल्या. बुधवारा तांच्या घरा सामाजीक, राजकीय आनी हेर मळावेल्या लोकांनी तांचें निमणें दर्शन घेतलें. बुधवारा दनपारां तांचे कुडीचेर निमणे संस्कार जाले. मुखेलमंत्री लक्ष्मीकांत पार्सेकार, आदले गृहमंत्री रवी नाईक, मंत्री महादेव नाईक आनी हेर राजकीय फुडाऱ्यांनी तांचें निमणें दर्शन घेतलें. रोड्रिग्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट. राष्ट्रवादी काँग्रेस पक्षान खंयच्याय पक्षा बरोबर युती केली जाल्यार गोंयच्या 7 सिटां वेलो हक्काचेर तडजोड करचे नात अशें स्पश्टीकरण जुजे फिलिप डिसोजा हांणी केलां. बुधवारा आदली जिल्हा पंचायत सदस्य नेली रॉड्रिगीस हिणें राष्ट्रवादी पक्षांत प्रवेश केला. रोड्रिग्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मनोली.
आज हांव खूब खुशाल. हांव नॅशनल NCP डिसिजन घेयला जॉयन जावपाक. एंड दीस डिसिजन आय हॅव टेकन इन द लार्जर इंट्रस्ट by consulting my supporters and well-wishers, because I am going to contest from the Kortali constituency. Last time I had contested and I was second. Within 8 months I got 5,200 votes almost, and now after working in the constituency I know that the victory is mine, because Zuarinagar is a vote bank where they want a national party only. Though I had offers from several other parties, but because of the demography of the constituency, there is a large section of a vote bank which says that they want a national party, and I thought this was the best option, joining the NCP. And Jose Philip has been my friend and he has been after me for quite some time, and ultimately after taking everybody's view, I decided to go forward in this direction. And I have a lot of vision and a dream for the constituency, where a lot of promises were made but nothing is fulfilled.
The constituency which has been neglected for the past 20 years, and during this tenure I have worked immensely for the betterment of the people of Nuve, and the people of Nuve have requested me to contest the ensuing elections 2017. Hence, I have decided to join NCP. But before that, let me clarify that I was the General Secretary of the Goa Congress Pradesh Committee during the tenure of Mr. Luizian Falero as the President as well as the Chief Minister. How to go about in the ensuing elections, because people are looking out for the Congress party and the NCP party to come together, and the like-minded parties to come together and to form the next government, because people of Goa are disgusted with the present functioning of the government.
हाय कमांडाक प्रफुल्ल पटेला कडेन मिटींग घेतली. आमी सगळे आमच्या पार्टीचे गोंयचे फिगर, गोंयचे पोजिशन आमी आख्खे टोटल आमी आमच्या हाय कमांडा कडेन दिले. So definitely the deadline, वो कितें तो टायमिंग दिवपाचो, they will definitely give. But आमचें काम कितें? Start the work in every constituencies. Every constituencies.
What your central leaders are saying?
What central leaders? आमचे अलायन्स जातले ते आमचे पार्टीचे लिडर्स उलयतले with the Congress. ते वचून बसतले. If they तर जायना ते आमकां कन्वे करतले जालें. फायनली हें तर जायना. आतां आमचें काम कितें? अरे आमचें काम करपाचें काम न्हू. आमी आमचें काम करीत रावता. आमी दुसऱ्यांक रावना. प्लीज तुमकां सांगलां, ऑल ऑप्शन इज ओपन. हाय कितें लुइजिना भाशेन कोण आमी काँग्रेस न्हू, आमी NCP. आमी डबल हेजेर नाय. प्लीज आय डोंट बिकॉज कोणाकूय सांगप ना. म्हागेलें तुमकां स्ट्रेंथ सारकें हें आहा. आमी आमचें मिशन चालू केलां. सुरवातेक आमी तुमकां सांगलां की आमी आमचें काम करपाक आमी मुखार गेले. आमी आतां फाटीं पळयना. सो अलायन्स, येस, if there is alliance we will sit, or our leaders will come and sit with the Congress people, whoever it is. There is a third option also open.
Yes.
What is the third option? If Congress doesn't want to alliance with all parties, there are other regional parties also there.
Coming.
Definitely.
Yes.
See, the main important thing म्हणटा ते कितें? Important thing म्हणटा ते हें, whether to go together or no. बाराबोर रावन सगळे मुखार वचप दॅट वील बी द मोर स्ट्रेंथ फॉर एवरीबडी आनी हेजेरूच आमी सांगला जो हो गव्हर्मेंट आहा ते घरा बसोवपा जाता कित्याक आमकां सेक्युलर वोट्स आमी म्हणना आमी एंटी बीजेपी आनी हे सगळे वोट आमचे डिवायड जावपा नाका अरे बाबा आमचे प्री पोल अलायन्स जे काँग्रेसा कडेन आसले ते आमचे गठबंधन तेचेर आमचे 7 आसले ऑफकोर्स अरे आमी आयज पासून कॅपॅसिटीचेर आमी जायती घालपाची कॅपॅसिटी आहा
न्यू वोटरी सांगता when they-
See, 2017 election, we are very much serious about it. We have a candidate in every constituency. Please note this.